Hello and welcome. Today we're capturing the breathtaking sunrise off Tuckers Rock and take a stunning beach walk and end at the Bundagaree Rainforest Walk to Bundagaree National Park, just south of Coffs Harbour in northern New South Wales, Australia. Thanks for joining us. Let's get into it. The local Aboriginal Gumbaynggirr people called this area Bongal Bongal, a place where one stayed a long time because of the ready supply of food available, including animals, birds, fish and shellfish. This beach and rocks was also named after George Ronald Tucker, who lived and worked here in the 1800s. George Ronald Tucker was a local shipbuilder and cedar logger who had shipping yards on the Manning River and Ballingen Rivers. From 1855 to 1859, Tucker built two wooden sailing ships designed to carry cargo, including cedar trees. One ship was a ketch design, the other was a two-mast schooner. The ships' names were Concord and Francis George and are listed in the Shipbuilders Register of Australia. This beach, Tuckers Beach, and rock, Tuckers Rock, were named after this early pioneer. Bundagaree National Park, south of Coffs Harbour, has plenty to offer, including wild beaches, sweeping coastal views and peaceful streams. The park is popular with locals for a spot of fishing, either on the pontoon by Bonville Creek or by the beach at Bundagaree Head. Picnic and barbecue facilities are available nearby, and there are opportunities for both beach and rainforest walking. The park is also a regional favourite for mountain bike adventures. The rainforests of Bundagaree National Park provide habitat for migrating birds and animals, and surrounding eucalyptus forests are home to one of the New South Wales' largest koala populations. The Bundagaree Rainforest Walk is a great choice for a day walk, and if you have time, you can stop off at the Bluff Loop picnic area for a picnic along the way. It is a 6-kilometre loop and it's really at a grade 3. With so much to offer visitors, it's no wonder Bundagaree is a popular beach holiday destination. We're on a mission to hike and explore this stunning backyard we live in and share with you. Like and subscribe so you can travel with us on these adventures, and remember to check the description below for many links I place, including local history, parks, forestry, fires near me, weather and photographic equipment. We hope to see you next time.